Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I want to discuss about the natural scenery of Bangladesh with you. The Bangladesh is one of the most beautiful country all over the world because the Bangladesh has 6 seasons in the whole over world. Look, this is the one of the best example of the scenery of Bangladesh. Look, the scenery of Bangladesh is one of the great because there are full with green fields and covered with muddy and slimy season. The rainy season makes the Bangladesh more beautiful than another countries. Bangladesh is the most God-gifted country to all over the world. The Bangladesh has one of the biggest population all over the world, and Bangladesh is a God-gifted country after all. Allah gave us a God-gifted country like Bangladesh. I am proud of my motherland Bangladesh. See you guys in next video. Assalamualaikum.